After a long day, or who knows, maybe a short day, I come in, I like to take off my shoes, and you know me, I like to put my things where they belong. So of course we're gonna take these and put them right in the closet. Sorta. Whoa, rewind this. That's how you put them away? Not to butt in and put my 20 cents into this, but I think your closet could use a little bit of work, Destiny. What do you think? Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in this video, we will be tackling my closet today. More specifically, all of the shoes. Yep, all of them. So grab some snacks while I have you for the next 18 minutes. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's begin. Closer to my community tab, telling you all I have a to-do list currently of a few things that I need to get done. Also, taking down my feed-in braids was definitely on that list, but it didn't get the most votes. So I don't want to hear anything in the comment section down below. You guys didn't vote for me to take them down today. More stay-at-home vibes in my old braids. But if you saw this video and you're wondering, they've been up, I believe, for 3.5 weeks now. So that's that. But nevertheless, you all voted for me to tackle my closet today. My shoes. Switching out seasons. Winter to spring now. I need to put all of the boots back at the top anyway. So I think we may do the purses today as well. The way my closet is, I kind of just have the purses in this section that used to be organized, but when you're in a rush and you're trying to swap from one purse to the other purse, you kind of just grab the one that you want so that you can be out of the door and be like, see, I told you I could be ready on time. That happens. Bigger than the closet that I had at home, so it's definitely an upgrade for me. I can't reach it, so that also turns into the reason I mess things up. And then over here, when we first moved, just to get my things unpacked, just books either that I want to keep from college, different lab manuals from science labs, and teddy bears, cause yeah, my gym hats. I'm going to take advantage of this space right at the foot of my bed, just in case I need a thumbnail. Okay, now I'm recording. I thought I was the first 2 times, and I wasn't. My start time is 4:24 on April Fool's Day, but this isn't an April Fool's joke. This is really my closet. Let us begin. In order to not double work myself, I am trying to keep all of the mates together since they're already together. But of course, I can use my other hand. Where could I put the camera at? So this guy rang the doorbell when he locked his keys in the car, but he asked if I had any wire hangers. I was like, oh, actually I just swapped all of my hangers out to velvet. I was able to find one for him. He was like, I kind of need 3, and I ended up finding one more, so technically I guess here's the other one that I could have given him. My favorite pair of Birkies. Also, I'm not throwing them out because they're black. Once I put my feet in these, nobody sees that part. My degree was in this. Must be something in it. Why am I holding on to it? A letter from the U of M. I should frame this. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna be double working myself now. Don't quote me. I'm out of breath doing this. Been looking for these. Favorite. Throw these on to go to my parents' house shoes. Boxing gloves. I used to take kickboxing. I have to show you all this section now that I've cleared it out a bit. The neatest section of my closet. And I never really even wear these tennis shoes. They're too far in the back. But my gym is closed, which is the only time I put on tennis shoes. Anyway, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. My grass cutting shoes. Lola. This is something I stuffed to the back when we moved. First moved.
Tatted on the waist, you know a nigga like that. She the type to make a nigga want a wife dead. Yeah, in the club and she looking like a model. Tight dress and she shaped like a bottle. She speed it up, bring it up and let it drop. Do some dollars on her, told her don't stop. Turn around, bend over, let me see. She straight shaking with her hands on her knees. And she get it, 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 and she get it.
So, oh, whoa. I mean, in the midst of me editing this, I'm like, you should have done it like that. But I'm here right now. Where do I begin? Okay, winter stuff, because I don't need that anymore. It's easy to declutter the winter things because winter just ended. I know what I touched and didn't touch, so I know what to get rid of in this moment. If it's ugly, obviously, that would help me. I wear these every year for Vlogmas. These are a must stay. Where should I start? I'm gonna cut this off if I can reach it while I figure this out.
And I turned it into something. I took me a hustle and I turned it into money. I'm straight out the mud with it, but I'm still clean though.
These were my graduation shoes. They hurt major. I actually wore these in a pedicure tutorial. Got so many questions about them. I think I'm going to hold on to these. I think if I buy something that you can put underneath this part, because I'm sure they sell something for, I know they sell something for that, because I actually used to work at a shoe store. Actually, I already have like a jelly insole, so that definitely helped, but it's just underneath here that hurts. Spring is here now. I haven't worn them in the winter because I couldn't. A lot of these shoes on Instagram, y'all told me to keep in the box, but most times I feel like I won't put them on if I can't see them. So I think a lot of the boxes I actually might throw out, like this one, because these are super cute. I think about these at the end of a summer. Like sometimes I do that because you get really good deals, and then I put them away until next summer or spring and just put them in there like this. These I think go in that boohoo box. Where is it? Okay, let's try to put all of everything that matches together. Slides, 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 and more slides. I'm not moving anything. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to take this and put it inside of this one, since I don't have the original box for these. They're super old, which is why they're like fading and discolorated, but I'm not throwing them out because I did wear these all winter. And these are my only 2 pair of rain boots. I've worn these a lot, but I recently had gotten these. I got these from Goodwill, if y'all are wondering, so I won't have a link to give you all from them. Brand says Bumper, if that will help you all to find them, or if I find them on Amazon, I'll link them down below. With it being April now, I definitely want my rain boots kind of in sight. To start simplifying all of this, I want to take the boxes that I know for sure I'm satisfied with and start putting them back, as well as some of the boots. This stool isn't helping me. It's too small. So I went ahead and pulled out all of the tennis shoes from this entire section. I have 2 gray pairs, favorite Converse that I've been wearing lately, the only pair that I own actually, and then the 2 white pair. I have a pair of Air Forces in here. I keep these in the box just because I don't wear them that much at all. If it's like a casual day, my option is either my dirty Adidas or these Converse. And I'm glad that I pulled these out of the back because I haven't really seen them out of sight, out of mind. When I have to do yard work, I wear those. I think out of the shoes, these are the only pairs that I'm going to get rid of. I'm putting everything closest to the hallway so that I can get closer to the trash. Or Poshmark. And I'm out of breath, but that's what you all agreed on Instagram, which is why I'm still behind with this, because I was on there for 45 minutes. And I just have to decide where they're going to go.
You know what crazy, man?
So the next pair is these. I got these a while ago actually. They only were worn twice. They're 7.5, but I need a 7 in these, but Payless doesn't exist anymore. I just never really got around to swapping them out. My little sister kind of wear about the same size, anywhere from 7.5 to 8.5. So of course she's going to get first pick on everything before I put it on Poshmark. If not, I'll definitely put them on Poshmark.
I got out here and get it on my own. And get what? They don't like me, they don't like me. Niggas hating on me, but it is what it is. I can't even chill till I give me some M's. They wanna see me fall, but I'm just too real.
If I'm not sure, I guess that's also an automatic toss it to the trash. I don't know. Put it over there. I like these, but they've never really fit me really well. There's nothing wrong with these. They don't hold my foot tight enough to not flop on me. These have run their course. If I walk in them too long, they hurt. I'm not even gonna pass that pressure on to anyone else. Although they are fairly cute, but they gotta go. I didn't put them on at all this winter. Falling apart, basically. I could keep them as house shoes. I don't even want them in my closet just for the could keep them for. So they're gonna go to the trash too.
Lamar no magician, how I did this here. I took nothing and I turned it into something. I took me a hustle and I turned it into money. I took nothing and I turned it into something. I took me a hustle and I turned it into money. I'm trying to elevate my game and stack up this chain. Staying sucker free, I'm in my own lane. Trying to turn this 750 into a Moussain. Remember when I used to scrape up loose change? Left hand jealous cause my right hand whipping. She text my phone mad, I'm in the strip club tipping.
So before taking all of the books off of this shelf, I was trying to decide if I wanted to put the slides or the tennis shoes here. Both of them would fit, but I had the perfect amount of tennis shoes for this rack, so that's what we're going to do along this one. And I'm going to place one forward and one backward. Whoa! Oh my goodness. My mom just rang the doorbell and brought me and Dominique something to eat. I would have let her say hey to the camera, but she kind of just was like handing it to me through the door and left. Oh yes, I'm gonna take a break and eat this because clearly knocking over the camera. My room is destroyed at this point because I've decided to do the shoes and the purses. Dinner break and then I'll be back, especially because I'm doing intermittent fasting. I gotta get this meal in before 7 o'clock because I only eat from like 10 to 7, even though I broke my fast at 12 today. I got chicken wings, apple pie, small piece of steak because you know, portions, and some corn. Now that my dinner and YouTube chill break is over, back to work. I'm going to go ahead and take out all of the books and align my tennis shoes on this row. I'm putting one forward and one backwards because basically I'll be able to glance at the shoe before even touching it and taking it out. That way I won't mess up what we got going here. I'm going to put my grass yard work shoes on the floor instead, and now I'm just going to go ahead and line up my sandals. I'm stacking one on top of the other. If you have a smaller amount of space, that'll help you to save space doing it that way. And I did go ahead and throw out there one pair of flats that I thought I wanted to keep just because, yeah, they're not worth keeping. We're going to get a new pair of flats. These are empty boxes that may either be in the trash or I decided to take them out to put them on top. I wouldn't say trash. Someone could use them. I just don't want them. I had got out this bag because I thought I was going to start going through those papers, but I like to finish a task before I just start digging through something else. These boxes, I'm trying to decide because I still have room at the top of the closet where the heels are to actually take those heels out and put them up there. And until I figure out like going through the bags and everything, I just left those 2 bags there as well as my boxing gloves. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with my hats. Actually, one of my subscribers sent me a picture on Instagram the way she stores her hats. I may have room once we go through the purses. I have to like push the clothes back for you all to see. That's why I decided to do the shoes over here. I'm not fully completed yet. I think I'm going to take out just this small amount of the heavier coats and put them in the film room closet. I definitely have room to hang clothes in there if I wanted to. One foot can go here and then one foot can go here, and then I can reach for stuff. If you saw me do the bathroom closet, then you know what this is. It makes it smell good in here. I decided to put the black ones right here where I can get to them first because I wear these the most to the gym. So that's how I kind of organize it based on what I'm really reaching for. Not necessarily pretty picture purposes. I know some people like to keep their boxes for decor. I'm more practical with mine. Like I don't want like all the boxes to look cute, but then I still have nowhere to put anything, so that wasn't really my way of doing it. This may be a 2-day thing. It doesn't have to be, but I think I'm just gonna stuff the rest of the shoes away and then figure the rest out in the morning with the purses because it's 8:30 by my face. So it's not too much to do the next day actually. Well, for you guys, it won't seem like that much since I've edited this last portion down to 5 minutes. But I went ahead and showed the footage while I was editing to my mom and my sister. Both of them agreed on me straightening the shoes back up instead of having them at a slant. I always like to get opinions on different things that I'm doing, so shout out to them for that. I went ahead and pulled out a few other winter essentials like my largest coats, and I'm going to take them to the film room closet, which now gives me room over here. Since it was kind of cluttered right there at first. I know this isn't about the clothes, but I thought I would just mention that. Fun fact, this is my prom dress. How gorgeous. I'm never getting rid of this. I should try it on one day. If this video gets to 3,000 likes, I'll film me trying on my old prom dress. Putting up the last of my shoes. This is my newest pair of heels that I absolutely love. Got them as a gift for Valentine's Day. Go ahead and throw out the rest of what I don't want. While I have a little bit more voiceover space to chat with you all, if you were on my Instagram live the other day, or even if you just read some of my posts on my Twitter, then you've heard me talk about some of the copyright claims that I've been getting lately. I've kind of teased you all with a little bit of my brother's music here and there, but I can't take any more chances on copyright claims, so y'all are definitely going to be hearing more of his music in my videos, just so you know. I've been looking for this. This purse still has stuff in it. I stopped carrying it because this part broke off of here. So I'm going to get my stuff out of here. I got a pack of oatmeal. Oh my God, I haven't carried this purse in a long time. I could still carry it like this, but I think I'm just going to throw this out since it's like halfway broken. Whole bunch of change. It didn't really take me a long time to go through the purses, probably because I don't have that many of them. I never really carried this purse anymore. I think I'm going to get rid of it. What I did like about it though, it has like a charging station on the inside. But since phones are like USB-C now, I wouldn't even be able to use it anyway. Oh, I could just clip on my USB-C that I have. Little adapter to it. Nah. Classic baby fat purse. Who remembers this? And this one. Love this purse. I'm finding a trend here. I like gold detailing. And I like this one. I think this one is broken. I don't want to hold on to it to try to fix it because the chain popped. What I could carry is still like this, I think. Clutch. And take the chain off of it. Or just put a different chain on it. Aha. Good thinking. Good thinking. That bag is full of shoes, so I'll go through those. Y'all know the process of like taking the pictures of everything and posting it, so I may do a little by little. Follow me on Poshmark. This isn't sponsored, but ever since I did work with them on the sponsored video, I've been using the app just to like make extra money on the side when I do get rid of my things. And then this one is full of some purses that were either broken. I went ahead and put all of the purses back on the shelf, the ones that I didn't want to display. I'm just going to combine them in this large beach bag. And now for the final reveal. I can actually step into my closet now. All of the slides, sandals, everything like that is along the floor. My most reached for tennis shoes are in that corner. I went ahead and put all of the heels on the top. You see two different variations of the display because I'm still trying to decide which one I like best. I sort of like the idea of being able to see the front and the back, so I may go with that. Let me know what you all think down below. Since I don't currently need the boots at this moment, I put the boots along the top as well as my infamous Vlogmas house shoes. And below that shelf, I have all of the tennis shoes since they fit on this rack. And I'm satisfied with doing the front to back with that one as well. And it also helps the way that they line up on the shelf as well. I did sort of go through some of the heavier jackets and I moved those to the film room closet as well, which gave me more space to be able to see these shoes without the jackets covering them up. Glimpse at the top of the sandals, just in case you all wanted this to sort of be a tour of my collection. I kind of wanted to go slow with showing you all of the different ones. And this is my little rainy day section. So I have my umbrella and then my rain boots. And then over here I just have my purses. I did just kind of like color coordinate them. I went through the purses super quick, probably because I need to, you know, step up my purse game collection. So I'm going to get a new purse soon. Whenever I can go get a new purse soon. Let me know which kind I should get, by the way. Just stepping back out of the closet so you all can really see what it looks like. If you all missed the video where we went through the clothes, definitely check out that video. As you all can see, I'm the type of person, once I go through and organize my things, I definitely keep it that way and it makes it easier to put everything back. The most satisfying part is that I can actually step into my closet now. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration to maybe, you know, tackle your closet and go through your things. If you like organization videos like these, I definitely have more on my channel. If you click on the screen, it'll take you to the closet clean out where I did all of the clothing as well as my drawers. Or if you want to see me going through my bathroom, definitely check that one out as well. Be sure to click on my face to subscribe to my channel since it's absolutely free. Questions and comments, leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching.